barbecue.
Yes, happy 4th of July.
Forward.
All right. So, any thoughts?
Ready to try this barrel of ribs. Supposed to be a very good cook. Let's see what he's got. Blessed for our independence. Yeah.
There he is.
There's the master cook.
So, what do we got? Lynn, everybody, here, take this for a second.
Yep, got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to Lynn. He is the master behind what we have cooking for our 4th of July lunch today. Lynn, tell us, what is this contraption here? I've seen one of these before. Alicia showed it to me.
This is
But what do you got here?
This is a barrel, 55-gallon barrel turned into a smoker.
Okay. So you took a 55-gallon drum.
Yep.
And you cut it up?
Right, we drilled holes in the bottom to prevent it, put some pipe on the rebar on the top, and we got some custom-made stainless steel hooks, and we just cut our racks of ribs and season them up, cut our racks of ribs in half, hook them, hang them, set it and forget it.
So
George Foreman's grill, man.
All right. So what kind of ribs do we have?
We
in
have
there?
pork. They're not baby backs. They're
Okay.
St. Louis style.
Okay. I noticed you just put in some wood chips.
Yep, we'll give her a little extra hickory flavor.
Nice.
Sometimes people use apple.
You got a temperature gauge on there.
Well, what do you think this is? Backyard outfit?
I don't
This
know.
is starting the art, man.
Wow.
And you got a vent on it?
Yeah, and it's got a little dampener on it. We built that too,
Okay.
so we can kind of regulate a little bit of
Awesome.
extra smoke. We give a little extra smoke.
Awesome.
I didn't put as many briquettes in this time. We're still kind of under experimental, but
Okay.
it's otherwise it goes too fast.
Okay,
So
yeah.
it's cooking right at a good 200 minutes. So it's
Okay.
it's low and slow.
Perfect. So, Chris, it's the 4th of July,
It is.
and how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
You look very, very, very patriotic.
Festive.
It's a beautiful patriotic
It
look.
is.
I like it.
I am patriotic.
We love America.
We
We do. Happy for our freedoms. Happy for all of everything. Happy for.
Hi, Mom.
Chris came over.
Oh, man.
She wanted to take a look at the ribs
This is
too.
a problem child right here.
Yeah.
What do you eat on the 4th of July?
I don't know. What are you eating on the 4th of July?
Ribs.
Potato salad
Absolutely.
and ribs?
And we're going to have shrimp
Oh.
margaritas.
Okay.
Of course, not with any alcohol.
Yes.
although that
Well, then
works.
I quit. I
And
quit.
we would not want to eat the ribs until they reach the right temperature. And let's ask our chef here what that
That's
temperature
going
is.
to be 145.
100.
Real close
Okay.
to it.
145 degrees. So, you want to do a temperature check for us?
Not right now. It's not even ready.
Well,
Not even-
let's just see where we're at.
We want to see it.
Yeah,
Well,
even if it's a lower temperature.
What we have to do is we have to take one out and let it sit, I do believe, for a little bit.
Oh, you
Otherwise,
do?
we're going to probably get too much heat. Just set
Okay.
set this for a second to get a
Okay.
closer temperature.
All
We'll
right.
pull one out with our handy dandy stick.
That's what I'm talking about.
because we don't want to get burnt.
Okay.
Those are Lynn's special barrel ribs.
Barrel ribs.
Oh, wow.
Here, I'll let you do the honors.
Well, we have to let it set for just a second.
Okay.
So do you put any sauce on them?
No sauce.
No sauce,
All
but they're
that.
Hey,
falling
whatever
apart.
he does, it's a
All this
secret.
stuff right here.
Secret,
secret, yeah.
recipe.
A secret recipe.
Okay,
It's whatever I got handy, kind of, sort of, what I use all the time.
wonderful.
Come on around. Let's see if we can get the.
It's already reading higher already because it's you just pull it
'Cause
off.
it was pulled off the thing.
Yeah.
So you let it cool down a little bit, and then check the
You
temperature.
get a closer reading that way.
And so your goal is
165, but 145, but see,
Yeah,
it's already
but-
reading 160.
Yeah, but that's it's
That's pulling it
not.
right out.
Yeah, so that's not.
You're gonna get a
accurate
closer
temperature.
reading to 200, what it's cooking at 200.
Okay.
So
okay. How long do you normally leave it in the barrel?
normally, well, we've been getting them done about hour and a half. Somewhere's in there.
Oh, you know what? I have a good question for you. When you're cooking ribs like this, since you've got a lot of experience cooking the ribs.
No, I don't have a
No,
lot.
but every time
We have a
he's
lot of
cooked
fun.
ribs here, Lynn makes them and they're perfect. They're delicious.
Did you see that?
What happened?
It slipped off my hook and landed right on the rebar.
Oh, you're lucky.
It was this close to being ashes.
We were gonna have to die.
Yeah, I was
there.
gonna dig in there to get that. We don't want to lose it. Okay, so here's my question. My question is, so we just did a temperature check, and the
It's high.
temperature check came back 165, which theoretically means they're done.
Right.
But according to you, they're not done yet.
You know what? We could hack one off and see, because you look at here and it's still kind of pink.
How can you tell when they're done? That's what I want to. Since you're the
They
master.
get a
here.
little char on them.
Okay.
You know, do you like a little char on yours? Like you want pork well done anyway, because you
Yeah.
don't want to get sick.
We
So
don't
you're
want to get
telling me
sick.
that you have to
That's
actually
correct.
cut it open,
Yeah, and then it's
You don't
hard
want
to.
worms.
You don't want to do that.
and it's kind of probably a little bit early before
Right.
they should be done, correct?
Right.
So according to you, Lynn, the master
Just
of
by
the
looking at it, I'd say they're not done.
They're
just
not
'cause
done.
They're pink.
They're still a little bit pink.
Yep.
So even though the temperature said 165, you gotta have some. You gotta go with more than just the temperature, because looking at
I think
it,
if you let it sit longer, and then and then you're going to get a more
get
of a
an
true
accurate-
inside temperature.
Yeah.
But now you're pretty much reading what the barrel's cooking at almost 200.
yeah.
So it's kind of hard. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't trust.
So the
those-
moral of the story is that your ribs are not necessarily done when the thermometer says 145.
Right.
You gotta
Yeah,
have
it's
some
gonna- it's gonna read.
experience.
It's gonna read a little more. I
Yeah,
do
can you
believe.
get some of that pink here? Can you see some of the, just so that we
Tip off
know,
there.
Now,
because
Lynn,
somebody in India is going to try this,
Yeah.
or somebody in Africa is going to try
A little
this,
bit raw looking yet to me.
or somebody in England is going to try this.
don't you drop those ribs, Lynn.
No, we better put that thing on. We're flaming.
Okay.
We don't want to burn it.
All right, Lynn. So you pull some ribs out of the.
Out of the barrel.
They looked done. They weren't pink.
Yeah, that's what it looked like to me. So I decided.
And I
Let's
did
do
the
it.
temperature too.
We did the temperature.
Yeah.
What was it?
170 something.
170. Okay.
But they're not tough.
Okay. Oh
Right
yeah.
over there.
Try that bad
They're
boy.
delicious.
We'll start pulling them off. I'll start pulling them off real quick.
These are moist,
Yeah, they're real tender.
tender, juicy,
And done.
and done. And the temperature you got was 175.
At least it was because I left it in there and it started going up to like 181. So
Okay. So the moral of the story, the teaching point, Lynn, is that even though when you look up online and it says that pork ribs are done when they get to 145,
no.
you got to use a little bit more
Yeah.
than just a thermometer to know when they're done.
Yeah.
It seems to be that they're not.
Yeah,
they're not,
these look done. These
Yeah.
look
Yeah.
done.
And
yeah.
you're always going to be done a little bit more on the bottom because they're hanging closer to the briquettes.
Okay.
So, but it should be cooked through.
And you can. Sorry.
Okay.
You can.
No, point it
Feel
down.
'em.
Yeah, point down at it. Yeah. Yeah.
You know.
They're still soft and tender.
Yeah.
And,
So they
Sure.
feel different.
Oh, look at that, red, white, and blue.
Red, white, and blue, Brad. Have you had a good 4th of July?
I had a great 4th of July. Tons of good food, celebrating our independence.
Yes, it was wonderful. And we hope that all of you have a great day as well.
Absolutely. Happy 4th of July.